Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review and explain the features of the American Express Platinum Travel Credit Card. So without wasting, let's get started. So coming to the annual fee, American Express comes with the first year fee of 3500 plus tax. From the second year onwards, it will be 5000 plus applicable taxes. So coming to the reward points, what we'll get from the American Express. So you will be earning one MR points for every 50 rupees spending from the American Express Platinum Travel Credit Card. Also, you will be earning 3x reward points if you are buying any gift voucher from the Gifter American Reward Multiplier platform. So coming to the spend based milestone. So if you spend 1,90,000 in a calendar ship year, so you will get 15,000 membership reward points, or also you can redeem as a Flipkart voucher that is value up to 4,500. Or if you spend 4 lakh in a year, you will get additional 25,000 membership reward points, or you can redeem as a Flipkart voucher that is value up to 7,500. So if you are spending up to 4 lakh rupees in a calendar year, you can use the American Express Platinum Travel Credit Card. So because you will be earning regular points. Apart from that, you will be also earning 15,000 plus 25,000. Total 40,000 additional reward points plus regular reward points. Regular reward points, even if you consider 4,000, so that will be almost 44,000 reward points. Apart from that, you will also get 10,000 rupees Taj voucher if you are spend 7 lakh rupees in an anniversary year. So apart from that, you will get 8 complimentary visit in India. So coming to the other rewards from that American Platinum Travel Credit Card, so you will get a priority pass that is worth of $99. Also, you will get platinum services. So other than that, you will be getting 24 bar 7 platinum assisted from that American Express team. Also, you will get a zero lost card liability and emergency card replacement and online fraud protection. So American Express has only limitation is that it has a acceptance is very less. So check where and all American Express is applicable. So based on that, you can take a American Express Platinum Travel Credit Card. Also, if you apply the American Express Travel Platinum Credit Card using my link, which is pinned in that comment section, so you will also earn 2,000 bonus reward points. Also, it will be like first year free. I hope it is help. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.